So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down everything that I've learned in real estate. Welcome to my channel, To the Top Real Estate Coaching. What we're going to learn in this channel is the most important thing in being a successful real estate agent. If you're a brand new agent or even a 10-year agent, the most important thing you can do is learn client acquisition skills to be able to learn how to go out and get clients at will. The reason that I started this coaching channel is to help other real estate agents take their game to the next level. So what I'm going to do in this channel is break down everything in detail. So here's the biggest problem in real estate and why we see a 90% attrition rate. If you're a brand new agent or you're a tenured agent, the main reason that people don't renew their license and they fall in that 90% category of agents falling out of the business is because they simply lack client acquisition skills. Either their pipeline dries up, their SOI is not producing anymore, you have a couple months go by, you don't have anything going, and you kind of start thinking in your head, you're like, maybe real estate's not for me. And you hear all these other people out there and they're saying, hey, get on the phones, do this, join a BNI group, do that. That all sounds great, but where do you start? Where do you begin? So what we're going to do in the upcoming episodes, we're going to go over many different ways to gain new clients. What works for you and what's appealing may not work for somebody else. So we're going to go over many different ways. We're going to break these down in detail. We're going to find the ones that you like, that you can excel in, that you can put into play immediately to have a long-lasting and very lucrative real estate career. Rather, you're just starting out, you found yourself in a rut, or if you're a top producer and you're wanting to take that game to the next level. So if you are committed to your real estate career, you're open-minded in learning new techniques, how to grow and how to increase your business, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and give it a thumbs up. The video that's going to be coming up next, episode 1, is going to be right now. It's going to be the low-hanging fruit in real estate. It's something where if you follow it, you take notes, you implement this step by step. You can implement it right after the video. If you follow what I show you in episode 1, I'm very confident there'll be a very, very good chance that you have a listing within the next week. So get your pen and paper, take some notes, and let's do this.